ES displacement. Whoa, 50 microns, bloody hell.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm short there.
Have you gone in short?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't.
So I quite like the fact that we've retraced 50% of the range and swept that 5 minute high. Oh, the fair value gap closed up on ES.
Where's your stop set at?
I've got it at...
Is it on London highs?
23496.
196.
So I would have risked all the way to London highs, but the fact that ES hasn't made a fair value gap, it's made it a lower probability. So I'm just going to reduce risk on it. But yeah, I'm not happy with the fact that ES did not make a fair value gap.
Sorry about that, bro. I just gone in on a trade.
So hopefully we see a displacement through this break-even point. That would be pretty good to see.
When we break the short-term low, I'll reduce risk.
Yeah.
Actually, instead of break even, I might go above that short-term high.
Yeah,
Like
that's what I was gonna do.
Yeah.
Great minds think alike.
Indeed.
We just got to break that low first.
Yeah, let's hopefully ES does the same, to be honest.
I just want to see it displace through it, because this short-term low acts as a displacement. So hopefully like the next candle will displace through. So yeah, we've taken that point now, so we trail your stops to the short-term high. So 3 handles risk on this, which is perfect.
How many micros are you guys in for?
I'm in for 2 on my funded, and then 6 on my live. Well, equivalent to 6 on C Trader. It's like 4 lots.
Yeah, I went in with 4 because the original stop loss was only like 16 points. What was it? What was the original stop loss? It was like
It was like 16, but then because I saw there was no Fair Valley gap, which was wasn't the best concentration from me, I reduced the stop. But anyway, we only got 3 handles on this, so it's practically a break-even trade. It's the valid point to stop. So we'll see if price runs higher now or we come lower. But yeah, perfect risk management once again. And I think once we take this short-term low, I'll go break even.
I think I'm a little bit more aggressive on my combine than you guys are.
Yeah, maybe like with combine.
21 micros.
If I was on a combine, I'd be in with 20, 40 micros. So that's 2 for Nasdaq contracts, 100%.
Yeah, but like I've had this combine for so long, and I'm like, I know in the back of my head it's costing me money. So.
No messing around, bro.
You go break even or that bottom one, yeah?
Yeah, that low
I'm
there.
bottom one, break even.
We shouldn't come low. If we do break this point, we shouldn't come back higher. See, now that's a displacement I want to see.
Yeah,
that is a 5-minute bullish though. So, oh wait, no, it's not.
There we go. Yeah,
a little bit lower.
Risk free in this now.
Yeah, same. Yeah, it's just tapped into a 5-minute bullish.
Break even here. Risk free. So perfect. This is exactly what we want to look for. So let's see if we get final TP or not. I'm going all the way for that low.
Yeah, I've got the same thing. Same thinking.
I think because it's the 50% retracement, I think there's a high chance it will actually go all the way. And then if it doesn't, so be it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a little bit of a slipped entry, so I'm just going to keep my stop inside that gap. Just about in that gap. And then we'll trail stops accordingly, managing the trade.
Yeah, the amount of times we've had a break-even trade when price has gone into a 5-minute opposed gap. It's gonna be like the 6th time.
Yeah. I mean, I think you remember my break-even streak. It was like 7 break-even trades in a row. That was crazy.
Yeah. I used to trim every time we went into a 5-minute gap.
Oh yeah.
I used to just take off half the size and just be like, alright, cool. If I get break even, I'll just take a little bit.
Yeah.
But now I just feel like there's no point. It would just be like $50 or $40. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Like, I would just let the trade play out.
Bro, I've got a pizza in the oven. I need to go take it out, but I low-key don't want to leave this.
Are you at break even now, Cam?
Yeah.
And then then I guess you can. I always do that. If I might break even, I
Yeah,
can
just
then.
go get that pizza, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm fucking hungry, man.
Yeah, just go grab it. I'll manage your trade for you. Man, I was having a conversation with a guy on the rooftop bar in London yesterday. I was just like, mate, the plan is, yeah, wife up a girl, like make like 500k to a million payouts, then get 2 kids, get 2 sons, teach them how to trade, and then once they know how to trade, get to your point, they're making 500k each. Bang, you just made another mil that year. Scale. Just think of your kids. Think of your kids as funded accounts. It's another 2
Great plan, mate.
accounts. Do you know what I'm saying? Gotta think about it.
Have you got to wait until they're 18 to get a prop firm?
Nah. They'll be trading under my name.
Or give them some live funds.
Yeah. Some live funds to play around with, and then give them a cheat sheet. Mate, instead of teaching them their ABCs, they'll be learning their ICTs. That's what they'll be learning.
Actually, you're cutting up a little bit, you know. I don't know if this
Wait,
me.
can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Oh, Ash.
Yo,
Ash. What do you use for the little black box there?
the rectangle.
What tool is it?
Rectangle.
Oh, it's there.
Okay, so PA is really not great right now. We're not forming any gaps.
Where's your stop, Ash?
We'll just break even. Got it at. Whoa, what is my screen doing?
Did you get a stop, Ash?
No. What is my
Oh.
screen doing? Bro, it's like all pixelated. I got my stop at 23488.
Yeah, I've just got it under 487.75. That's my entry.
I think Cam just got stopped to break even.
Tempted to put my stop back up to 490 above that short-term high,
Nah, don't
which is
move
in
it.
the gap.
Don't move it.
Oh.
I got my stop at 494, but that's because I got a demo account, so I don't really care.
Yeah, I've been stopped. I'm starting to really not like opposed 5-minute gaps. They're not my friends recently.
Order filled.
Oh. Bro, I was still in by a tick. I thought this was gonna be like my lucky day. It's all good.
So we're going to break even.
Nice little break even trade. We were up around 14 handles on that and then got stopped. Alright, well that was the only somewhat most valid trade of the day. Even still, if I'd seen that there wasn't a proper fair value gap that had formed, I would not have
Ash, did you get stopped out at 492?
No, 488. Hasn't gone to 492 yet.
Oh. Alright.
Yeah,
Don't
bro,
worry
you gotta
about
make
that.
sure you're moving, just because you're on a demo, you gotta make sure you're moving your stop loss appropriately.
Yeah, no, I thought your stop was at 492.
Nah, I got it at 488. So, So yeah, I still don't even think, because there was no fair value gap, not the cleanest trade, but still, the overall model on NQ looks super clean. We came back and swept that 5-minute high and created equal highs on both NQ and ES. So it actually swept equal highs on ES and tapped into that 5-minute bearish gap, drawing price lower. And then obviously in this case the 5-minute bias won because it tapped into that 5-minute bullish and pushed higher. We were actually trading into a 5-minute bullish on the entry anyway, so
yeah,
there you have it. So that's why, Brad, we keep our stop at break even, because once it is taken out, 1, 2, yeah, so 2 short-term lows. By that point you should be 100% break even and not trading your
Yeah,
stop.
no, that's why I probably just didn't see that, but no, I got stopped out at 492. I lost 100 on the demo, so it don't really matter.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
I'm still very in the green.
But yeah, overall, I was pretty happy with that trade, to be honest. It was a good, clean model. I was happy with the entry. I think once we saw, because this short-term low would have acted as a displacement, so I would have wanted to see the model form again, and then it just didn't. So that's kind of where I was like, okay, this trade is pretty much cooked. Because once we then hit that 5-minute bullish, as he said best, basically this minor, well, not really minor, but short-term low point got swept, tapped into that 5-minute bullish, and then it's gone higher. So at that point it was pretty much a cooked trade, but still good overall. Still good overall. Not the worst Monday. How's everyone else feel about that trade? Any questions? Any thoughts?
I do rate it, but I also think, in hindsight, the long may have been the better option, waiting for the long, targeting the highs.
Which long are you talking about?
As in, once it hit that 5-minute gap on NQ, you could have been looking for longs. I don't think there's really an entry there.
Well, no, I was actually looking for longs before the macro. I don't know if you saw. I was looking for longs here, but we went inside macro. If this entry point was inside macro, I would have taken it, and then had my stop here, and then my TP. Well, I would have got stopped at break even anyway as well. So I would have had my stop at minor buy side. So that is literally the 2 scenarios you could have done for today. Either long off this 1-minute bullish, or shorts of this 1-minute bearish. And both would have been the exact same result.
I like the setup, so no regrets.
Yeah. Nice one. Alright, well, I think we'll call it a day there, fellas. I don't think there's any point trading the PM session. Make sure you journal your shit, and we'll be back tomorrow. So have a good rest of your day, guys. Peace out.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Flash.